First, go to SpyFly. Click on Wallets. Create new Solana wallet. Create new BSC wallet. Or import your own wallets. We will go back to settings later. But first, to start AutoTrade, you can subscribe to one of our Signal channels for free. Click Subscribe to Preset Groups. You can subscribe to free alpha channels or pay to our premium channel. Click on one or more preset groups you wish to trade. You can always unsubscribe from my preset groups. Click on Start Agent Monitoring and enjoy the ride. Click Join Official Alpha Channel to see live feed of all the calls in one place. SpyFly tried to buy the alpha, but it failed for insufficient funds. If I had a Sol in the wallet, it would have started to auto-trade the calls. Now, let's go back to settings. Click Buy Options. Set your buy amount. Set your slippage. Same for sell options. Click Filters. Here you can choose minimum and maximum market cap. SpyFly will filter any call outside the market cap window. Go to Risk Management to set your take profit, stop loss, and deadlock. The bot will ask you how many take profit, price change, and how much to sell. Same for stop loss. Set deadlock trigger. If the price go below the deadlock, the bot will sell the token. If you want to monitor and auto-trade your own groups and channel, click on Add Groups to monitor. Read carefully how to add groups and trusted sources. Before you can start monitoring your own groups and channels, you need to authenticate the bot. Please read carefully and follow the steps. Now you can start your monitor and enjoy the ride.